Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to back my channel Dream Cars. The Chevrolet Monte Carlo is back for 2026. Once a legendary name in the muscle car in NASCAR, seems the Monte Carlo is making a bold return with a modern twist. This new generation coupe promises to blend Chevrolet's performance heritage with cutting-edge technology, stunning design and powerful engine options. In this article we'll explore everything you need to know about the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, including its design, engine specs, features and expected release date. A modern take on a classic. The Monte Carlo first appeared in 1970 as a luxurious yet powerful, dominating the muscle car era and NASCAR tracks. Now Chevrolet is reviving the nameplate with a sleek, characteristic design while maintaining its signature group silhouette. Exterior design: aggressive front fascia inspired by classic Monte Carlo models, sleek LED headlights in a bold grille, aerodynamic coupe styling with muscular fenders, large 20-inch alloy wheels for a sporty stance, signature Monte Carlo badging on the rear. 2026 Monte Carlo will be available in several exciting colors, including midnight black, torch red, electric blue and true Chevrolet Beast. Chevrolet is expected to offer multiple engine options to cater to different driving enthusiasts. Engine options: 1 3.6L V6 producing 335 horsepower for a smooth yet powerful drive, 2 6.2L V8 borrowed from the Camaro delivering 455 horsepower for muscle car fan hybrid powertrain, a turbocharged 2.7L engine with an electric motor for better efficiency and instant torque. All models will come with a 10-speed automatic transmission with a manual option available for the V8 trim. Rear-wheel drive RWD will be standard, while all-wheel drive AWD may be available as an option. Expect a Monte Carlo to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds for the V8 model, making it a serious performance machine. High-tech interior with racing DNA inside. The 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo combines luxury technology and sportiness. Interior highlights: 12.3-inch digital driver display, 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium leather seats with red contrast stitching, Bose premium audio system for an immersive sound experience, racing-inspired steering wheel with paddle shifters, wireless charging in multiple USB-C ports. Chevrolet will also include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system. Release date and expected price: the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026. Pricing is estimated to start at $50,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $60,000 for the V8 powered SS variant. Monte Carlo for the future: the return of the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo brings the iconic muscle car back with a modern twist. Sporting a bold and sleek design, this updated Monte Carlo retains its classic appeal while introducing advanced features and technology. The exterior design includes aggressive lines and a sophisticated grille, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the cabin is equipped with luxurious materials, cutting-edge infotainment, and an ergonomic layout ensuring both comfort and performance. The 2026 Monte Carlo offers a range of powerful engine options, delivering thrilling performance without compromising efficiency. The car's performance features include advanced suspension systems and enhanced driving dynamics, ensuring a smooth and exhilarating ride. Whether you're cruising on highways or taking tight corners, the Monte Carlo is engineered to offer superior handling and power. With its legacy of excellence, the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is set to thrill both enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. This is not just a car, it's a statement of performance, style, and American muscle. The 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is exciting news for muscle car enthusiasts and Chevrolet fans. With a modern design, powerful engine options and advanced technology, this coupe is set to take on rivals like the Ford Mustang, Dodge Challenger and Nissan Z Monte Carlo. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more updates on the latest car. Thank you for watching.